In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo how to send load or buy load using GCASH. Please keep on watching, Madlang Pilas. Okay, click po natin yung GCASH. Next, enter PIN code. Available balance 303, then click load. Select telco. Under telco load, may Globe, TM, Smart, Dito, and Gomo. Under broadband naman, may Globe at Home, Globe Business, Smart, and PLDT. So ako, under telco load, yung loloadan ko, click Globe. Next, enter cellphone number. If nakasave sa contacts, hanapin lang po natin sa contacts natin. Next, click the details if the telco and number you are buying load for is correct. Then click Yes, proceed. Click if regular or all-in yung load na gusto nating i-load. Sa regular, from 10 peso to 900 pesos. Only for GCash, pili lang po kayo. Sa Go Promos, may Go 70 for students, Go 50, 90, 140, 400, at marami pang iba. Ako, regular lang yung load na need ko. So, click ko yung regular and then pili po kayo kung magkano po yung gusto nyong i-load. Okay, please review to ensure that the details are correct before you proceed. Yung available balance natin, how much, amount due, and total amount. Then click pay, how much yung total na ilo-load. Kung makikita nyo po, no extra charges, no service fee, and no transfer fee. Now, payment received. And may text confirmation din tayong marireceive. Okay, balik tayo sa GCash app. Click OK. Now, available balance is 293. Nabawas na po yung load na niload natin kanina. Real-time transfer, no transfer fee, and hassle-free. Then click log out. So yon madlang felas. Hope may natutunan po kayo sa video natin today. And if yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestion, you can comment down below. Malay nyo po, yung requested video nyo ang isi-share natin sa susunod. Lagi nyo pong tatandaan na kayo po yung nagpapasaya sa akin kaya hindi po ako magsasawa na mag-upload ng video para sa inyo. See you on my next video!